Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Kerajaan Channel. I am Safnan Igel, bringing you tonight headlines. Our top story, floods in Demak, Central Java. Stay tuned and we delve deeper into these developments and bring to you the last update tonight, the evening. Okay, in a devastating tone of evil, central regions of Java, Indonesia have been engulfed by massive floods, leaving thousands displaced and homes destroyed. Heavy rainfall over the past week has caused rivers to overflow, inundating residential areas and agricultural lands. Authorities report that the floods have affected numerous districts, including SMAN, Solo, and Demak, where flood waters have reached alarming levels, submerging roads and cutting off access to essential services. Rescue teams are working daily to evacuate stranded residents to safer to location and provide emergency relief supplies. The situation is exacerbated by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, posing significant challenges in managing evacuation centers and ensuring the safety and well-being of affected individuals while adhering to health protocols. Efforts are underway to access the exit of the Demak and provide assistance to those affected by the calamity. However, the scale of the disaster presents a formidable task for local authorities and relief organizations. As the flood persists and the impact continues to unfold, the Indonesian government appeals for support from the international community to aid in the relief and recovery effort for the affected regions. The resilience and solidarity of community in the face of adversity serve and a beacon of hope amidst the devastation brought by nature's fury. Thank you for joining us tonight for our coverage. Stay tuned for more updates and remember to visit our website for the latest developments. From all of us here at Kerajaan Channel, have a good night. Thank you.